Hi, I'm Jenny from Garden Gate Magazine, and today we're going to prune our flowering quince. This is double take scarlet, and it blooms pretty early in the spring, and you don't want to prune it till after it blooms because it blooms on old growth. So any growth that it puts on this summer will form the flower buds for next year. So we waited till it's done blooming, and then it's a real simple process. We're just going to take off about a third of the growth. I'll probably take off a few of these branches that are hanging over my step here, but pretty simple. Just go on in and snip, snip. And you can see where those old flowers are. They'll just kind of, they're self-cleaning, so they'll fall right off. And this summer we'll get lots of new growth, and this plant will get a lot bigger and bushier, and we'll have lots of blooms for next year. And you'll want to cut back to just right before a leaf node, or maybe clear back to a branch. That way you get some branching from there. So like you might take that end off and you'll get more branching, therefore more flowers. Now you can shape these in the early spring, you know, when it's easier to see the branches because there's no foliage there, but then you're going to lose your flowers. So it's best to do it right after it blooms. I'm going to go in a little deeper to get these guys because they're hanging over a little too far. It was a good job, but I've got it all done. I've taken off about a third of the growth. I've aimed, you know, when I cut, I kind of aim so that branches are headed out. So if you can see here, let's see, what's a good one? Like here. So I've cut that branch back here. So you've got a branch that's going to aim out. So that'll give your plant a little bigger, more outward facing growth. And then if I need to, I can come back in here and trim out a few just to thin that out inside so that there's more light that gets down to the middle of the plant. But it's ready to go. It'll put on a lot of new growth and lots more blooms for next year. So on to my next one.
Hi, I'm Kristen Bean Sullivan with Garden Gate Magazine. If you like this video, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find tips, garden ideas, and how-to help. And be sure and click the bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.